this video, I'll show you how to add a phone number to your invoices in Zoho Invoice. This simple customization makes sure important contact details are always visible on your PDF invoices. Start by opening the Settings menu in Zoho Invoice. From there, go to Preferences, then select Invoices. In this section, click on Field Customization. Here, you can manage or add new custom fields to your invoice template. Click the plus sign to create a new custom field. Label it phone number for clarity and choose text as the data type so you can enter different phone formats with country codes if needed. Be sure to check the option Show in all PDFs so the number always appears on your invoices. Once saved, this new field will now show up whenever you create an invoice. Just enter the company's or client's phone number and it will automatically display on the final PDF. That's it. You have successfully added a phone number to Zoho Invoice, making your documents more professional and complete. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful Zoho tips.